Hey, nice, huh? What do you think, kids? Cool. Now, I wonder, I wonder who these kids following me. Are they following me? I think they are. Look, every time I turn, they stop. Who are these kids? Certainly not mine. It's raining, huh? Well, there, there we go again. And they stop. Who? Who?
With my arms down, right, talking to you, and you think I'm it's Ben Stein.
These kids look fishy. Who are they? Look.
This guy right here, a couple miles back, I'm driving 45 on the 45, and he just blew right past me on a solid double yellow line, and he blew the horn at me. He went just like that, and he just blew past me. And now look, he's right here at the red light, just like me. And he was so worried that I was doing 45 on a 45, and he just went, and he's still right there. Oh, look, there he is, right there. Right there. The Speedy. He's over here again. Look at that. and he gives me a thumbs up for speeding on a 45 and crossing a double yellow line. Thumbs up. Yeah. I'm cool. He's cool, you know. Yeah, until there's a cop up ahead and gets a ticket. Me and the kids had a great time. We had a nice dinner, and then we went and do some stuff. Went to the store real quick, goofed around in there, and then they helped me do some important filming. It's very important, but they were a great help. I couldn't have done it without them. And, yeah, just a great, fun day overall. Cool. Rain, 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 rain. Yesterday I got all drenched in this torrential rain for like a couple hours, non-stop. And today it's been drizzling all day, and now it's pouring again. I just went to my mailbox, get some mail that I had in there since last week, and I had a nice surprise. I haven't asked for anything. I don't ask for anything, but I include my P.O. box and address for different reasons. And but someone really nice sent me a package. I can say that it's just E. Johnson. I'm not going to show the address or anything, but thank you very much. I don't know what's inside, but I'm going to open it right now. I don't know what's in here. Trying to open this thing up. Got it. I opened on the wrong pocket. It's still in there. What kind of package is this? I opened on the wrong. How can I open on the wrong? Oh, okay. Endura cool. Endura cool. Cool. you didn't have to. I don't know what to say. Thank you. You didn't have to. But thank you very much. I appreciate it. That's not why I have my address in there, but thank you so much. And so this is one of these thingamajigs, whatchamacallit, that I think, I'm not sure if you get wet, pre-cooling, performance cooling, soak towel, soak the fabric with water. The fabric will not be cool out of the package. Wring out excess water, snap to activate. Huh. So you moisten with water, and then you hold both ends and snap like that. That's what it says. Hold at both ends, snap the fabric 3 to 5 times to promote airflow and activate proprietary cooling technology. This is very, very advanced technology. Wait 1 to 2 minutes for maximum results. Doesn't say if you put it on you or if you wait 1 to 3 minutes. But this is cool though. Thank you very much. I've seen this at stores, but I never thought of buying one. But yeah, thank you very much. I guess I can put it around my neck like that picture shows, or I can put it around my neck like that picture shows. So I can go like this, and oh, it's too tight. Oh, don't do that. Don't do what I did. You don't do that. No, you do it somehow. I don't know how she does this, but maybe it's like this. Okay, it has to be like this because the other way was just too tight. I mean, too tight. Oh, it hurt me. How do I do that? Or just put it like this, or over my head like this. And yeah. So thank you very much. I am going to be using this on the next hot days. I'm going to try it out, and I'll give a review on this. Again, E. Johnson. I hope you don't mind me saying the name. Doesn't have an address or anything with it. Thank you very much. Cool. Literally, this is cool.